Marhaba ya jama'a and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to discuss verbs that differ in Levantine Arabic versus Modern Standard Arabic, which is MSA. You can find the corresponding vocab sheet with all the verbs and the translations in the Shami Speaker store, which I will have linked here and in the description box. So let's get started. In this video, we're going to focus mostly on verbs where the Levantine Arabic version uses a completely different root compared to the modern standard Arabic version. But it's also good to know that many verbs in Levantine Arabic are actually quite similar to the MSA version, especially in their root. What often changes is the prefix, especially in the present tense. For example, in Levantine Arabic, the present tense often uses a ba prefix, whereas in MSA, the present tense often starts with an alif or ya, depending on the pronoun. Here are some examples of verbs with similar roots in both Levantine Arabic and MSA. First up, we have I eat. In MSA, this is akulu. In Levantine Arabic, it's bakul. So notice how in the Levantine Arabic version, we're adding the ba prefix. Now we have he drinks, and this one is conjugated in the third person masculine form. In MSA, it's yashrabu. In Levantine Arabic, it's bishrab. So again, there are some diacritics that are different here, and also in the Levantine Arabic version, we're adding that be prefix to the front. So we have yashrabu versus bishrab. So with that said, today we're actually going to focus on verbs with differing roots. We'll look at them conjugated in the first person present tense form. Many MSA verbs are also used in Levantine Arabic, often with slight differences in conjugations, but the opposite is not true. Verbs unique to Levantine Arabic are usually not used in MSA. First up, we have I want. In MSA, this is uridu. In Levantine Arabic, it's much more common to hear biddi. So once again, we have uridu versus biddi. Our next verb is I go. In MSA, this is adhabu. In Levantine Arabic, you will hear بروح. adhabu versus بروح. I see. In MSA, we say أرى. In Levantine Arabic, we say بشوف. أرى versus بشوف. Our next verb is I come. In MSA, we say آتي, but in Levantine Arabic, we say باجي. آتي versus باجي. I can. In MSA, we say أستطيع. In Levantine Arabic, we say فيني. You also might hear the version where we say في, where we're dropping that noon. So once again, we have أستطيع versus فيني or في. I do or I make. In MSA, we say أفعل. In Levantine Arabic, we say بعمل. أفعل versus بعمل. I wake up. In MSA, it's أستيقظ. In Levantine Arabic, we say بفيق. And notice how the qaf sound at the end is changed to a glottal stop or hamza sound, which is very common in many Levantine dialects. So once again, we have أستيقظ versus بفيق. I return. In MSA, we say أعود. In Levantine Arabic, we say برجع. أعود versus برجع. I speak. In MSA, we say أتكلم. In Levantine Arabic, we say بحكي. Now, this is one example where the MSA version can also be heard a lot in Levantine Arabic, but the conjugation is going to be a little bit different. Instead of saying أتكلم, we would say بتكلم. However, بحكي is not found in MSA. I feel. In MSA, it's أشعر. In Levantine Arabic, we say بحس. Again, the MSA version can also be used in Levantine Arabic, but instead of saying أشعر, we would say بشعر. So once again, we have أشعر versus بحس. I wait. In MSA, we say أنتظر. In Levantine Arabic, we say بستنى. The MSA version can also be used in Levantine Arabic and it's common to hear, but we would say بنتظر or بنتظر. So once again, we have أنتظر versus بستنى. I find. In MSA, we say أجد. In Levantine Arabic, we say بلاقي. Again, the qaf sound is changing to that glottal stop or hamza sound. So we have أجد versus بلاقي. I sit. In MSA, we say أجلس. In Levantine Arabic, we say بأعد. You might hear the MSA version in Levantine Arabic as well, but a little bit more in formal settings. For instance, if a guest comes over and you want to tell them to sit, you could say اجلس. So let's review. In MSA, we have أجلس versus in Levantine Arabic بأعد. And those are all the verbs that we're going to go over today that are quite different in Levantine Arabic versus MSA. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and get your corresponding vocab sheet in the Shami Speaker Store. And I'll see you in the next video. مع السلامة. This portion of today's video is sponsored by Busu. Do you want to strengthen your modern standard Arabic alongside your Levantine dialect learning? Well then check out Busu. It's a really cool language learning app that offers structured grammar-based lessons with activities like vocab matching, fill in the blanks, and more. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced learner, Busu has something for every level. There's a free version you can try right away, and even a 7-day free trial of the premium version if you want to dive deeper into grammar. It's a great way to build a solid, modern standard Arabic or MSA foundation alongside your dialect learning. Give it a try and see if it works for you. They also have various other languages other than Arabic, including Spanish, Japanese, and Turkish, and more. So you can find the link to try it out linked here and in the description box below.